In this video, let's talk about the best Mercedes wheel spacers for off-roading. Let's go. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. This melt has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. If you have any question about the wheel spacers, leave your comment. Thanks for watching and have a great day.